So if you are checking out these bread bags that do come in a 2-pack, let me show you a few things about them to help you decide if you want to grab these. Now the brand sent these to me to test out and try. I've got lots of different loaves here, sourdough, just regular white bread. So it's got this special liner inside. It's called TPU, and basically it helps extend the life of your bread when you're putting it in the freezer so that it doesn't get freezer burnt, it doesn't dry out. It actually helps maintain the moisture in your bread, so that's a really nice thing. And you can see it has a zipper top here. It's got this little handle here so you can pull it out. You can even travel with this, and then it's got like a flat bottom here. Now these are naturally made. These are made out of cotton, and I love the fact that it does come in this 2-pack. Love the like checkerboard that it has on it, a little baked bread. This would also be a really great gift idea. These are also nice and big, completely non-toxic and oil resistant. So let's try out some loaves here and see how many we can get inside. I have a nice big sesame seed loaf here. You don't have to cover the bread or anything. You can just place it right in. And then I also have like a French bread that I'm gonna throw inside. And all you need to do is zip it up, and then you're just gonna like press out any air that you possibly can. I'm actually gonna go a little step further with this one, and I'm gonna add a 3rd loaf. This is very seasoned, garlicky, kind of oily bread, and I'm gonna put it in here as well. It actually has 3 loaves in there. It probably could even fit another one depending on the size you have. And again, throw it in the freezer. And then if you need to, it's got that little handle on here so you could travel with this and take it someplace. Like I said, you do get a 2-pack. You could even split this up and share it with somebody, but these are really, really nice quality. Super simple to clean too. You're just gonna take a rag if you need to and wipe out the inside. Just take a rag to the outside and you can clean it up really simple. So there you go. If you're checking these out, I definitely recommend. Really nice bags. They can hold a ton, and of course they're freezer safe. So I hope this video has helped.